If you love taking photos, don't miss this list. Here are the top 5 Android photo editing apps for 2026 that make every picture look incredible with minimal effort. At number 1, it's PixArt AI Photo Editor and Video. With a 4.32 star rating, over 11 million reviews, and more than 1 billion downloads, it's one of the biggest creative apps on the planet. What makes PixArt stand out is how much it can do in one place. Want to remove a messy background? Done. Need to erase unwanted people or objects? Just a tap. You can even turn a simple text prompt into AI-generated images or create eye-catching videos in minutes. It also comes packed with professional templates, trendy filters, powerful retouch tools, collages, stickers, and text effects. So creating content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or your business feels effortless. And the new AI assistant, Aura, helps turn your ideas into polished designs just by chatting with it. No design experience needed. If you want professional-looking content without spending hours editing, PixArt is easily one of the best apps you can download today. Would you try it? Follow for more of the best apps you need on your phone. Next, number 2, we have PhotoRoom, AI Photo Editor, with a 4.3 star rating, over 3 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads. PhotoRoom is built for anyone who wants clean, professional images without learning complicated editing software. Its AI can instantly remove and replace backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, and improve lighting for a polished look. If you sell products online, create social media content, or run a small business, this app can save you a ton of time. You can edit multiple photos at once, keep your branding consistent with logos and colors, and even create realistic product scenes using AI. One standout feature is the AI video generator, which turns product photos into short, eye-catching videos. Plus, ready-made templates make creating content for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and online marketplaces incredibly simple. It's no surprise millions of creators and businesses rely on PhotoRoom to make their content look more professional with less effort. The number 3 on our list is Lightroom Photo and Video Editor by Adobe. It holds a solid 4.4 star rating, backed by over 3 million reviews, and has been downloaded more than 100 million times. What makes Lightroom stand out is how it combines powerful editing tools with beginner-friendly AI features. With quick actions and adaptive presets, the app automatically suggests edits that instantly improve your photos. You can adjust lighting, colors, shadows, and contrast without needing any editing experience. Need to remove unwanted objects? Lightroom's AI-powered generative remove tool makes distractions disappear in seconds. Want that clean portrait look? Blur the background with just one tap for a professional depth effect. If you're into aesthetics, Lightroom also includes film-style presets, color grading tools, and custom filters to help you create a unique style for Instagram, TikTok, or any social platform. One of its biggest advantages is batch editing. If you took dozens of photos during a trip or event, you can apply the same edits across multiple images, saving tons of time while keeping everything consistent. And it doesn't stop with photos. You can also enhance your videos using the same color and lighting tools for a polished, cinematic look. If you're looking for an editor that grows with your skills while delivering amazing results from day one, Lightroom is easily one of the best choices available. Coming in at number 4 is Photoshop Express Photo Editor. With a 4.3 star rating, over 2 million user reviews, and more than 100 million installs, it's easy to see why so many people trust it. The biggest reason people love this app is how fast everything works. You can clean up selfies, remove unwanted objects, replace backgrounds, or enhance colors in just a few taps. It also includes smart AI tools that make complicated edits feel effortless. Want a cleaner portrait? Fix blemishes, smooth skin, adjust lighting, or even experiment with different hairstyles and creative looks without spending hours editing. If you're creating content for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, the built-in collage layouts, stylish fonts, stickers, and ready-made templates help your posts look polished in minutes. Another bonus is that it works for beginners and experienced creators alike. You get simple one-tap edits when you're in a hurry, plus more advanced controls when you want extra precision. So if you want professional-looking results without learning complicated editing software, Photoshop Express is definitely worth checking out. Lastly, number 5, it's Snapseed, and it's easy to see why. With a 4.2-star rating, over 1 million reviews, and 100 million plus downloads, this Google-powered editor has earned a huge fan base. Snapseed gives you more than 30 professional editing tools without charging a subscription. No ads, no watermarks, and no hidden fees. You can fine-tune brightness, contrast, colors, and curves with incredible precision, or use one-tap tools for fast edits. Want your photos to look cinematic? Try the realistic film filters, bloom, halation, or lens blur effects. Need to remove unwanted people or objects? The healing tool makes it quick and surprisingly clean. For creators who want more control, Snapseed also supports raw photo editing, smart masking for precise adjustments, batch editing to save time, and completely non-destructive editing, so you can always go back to the original image. Whether you're editing selfies, travel shots, product photos, or social media content, Snapseed delivers professional quality results without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a powerful photo editor that's packed with advanced features and completely free to use, Snapseed. If you found this list helpful, hit like, subscribe for more awesome app recommendations, and tell us in the comments which photo editing app is your favorite.